In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. Also like this video. Although I show you the process in Windows 10, you can follow the same process in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I want to delete my Microsoft Edge. So for that I can simply search here apps and feature. Then I can simply scroll down here and you can see Microsoft Edge is here. I can click on it and you can see the uninstall option is disappeared. I cannot uninstall my Microsoft Edge from here. So to uninstall it, you can simply go to the file explorer, but before that make sure to close Microsoft Edge. After that we can follow the process. I will simply click on my this PC, or we can simply go to the file explorer. If you don't see it on the taskbar, then right click on your Windows icon, then click on file explorer, and then you will be redirected to your file explorer. Then go to your C drive or where the Windows has been installed. We can go on it and you can see here is an file called program files 86. We can click on it and then click on Microsoft. Multiple Microsoft folders are here. We need to simply click on only Microsoft folder. We can click on it and then we need to click on Edge. Multiple Edge are here. We need to click on clean Edge folder. I will click on it. You can see Edge is the folder. Then click on applications. The next thing you will see is a folder with bunch of numbers on it. It is version of your Microsoft Edge. It can be different in your case because versions can be changed over time. So we just need to click on it. After that go to installer folder. We can click on it. Once you are here, click on the blank area in your folder path. I will click on this blank area. After that replace the location with CMD. I will simply type here CMD, then enter on your keyboard. After that this window will pop up where we just need to paste one thing which will be provided in my video description. You can simply copy it. The text is this. It starts with setup.exe and ends with uninstall. We just need to simply copy this command and put it there. I will simply pick this text, right click on it and copy it. After that right click on your command. I will simply right click here and you can see my text has been pasted in my command prompt. After that enter on your keyboard. Then you will get this pop-up where it will ask you, do you want to make changes to your Microsoft Edge? We just need to click on yes. Now you can see I don't have Microsoft Edge in my computer now. You can't see it on my taskbar as well as on my desktop. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.